new year. Better late than never, I guess. And guess what? I'm sick. Oh my god. So, besides the fact that I've been sick for the first like few weeks of the new year, I've been concocting, or I've been researching Instant Pot. You're notorious, it's everywhere online. But I decided to get one, and I'm gonna test it out and to see, is it worth the hype? Today I'm gonna make pho. You know, I'm sick, my throat, maybe I have a bronchial infection, not sure. But we're gonna make some pho. And so I already have everything in my Instant Pot. And if you don't know what Instant Pot is, it's a 7-in-1 multi-cooker. And I've expressed my love for things that have multi-use. Multi-cookers have everything in it. So it will, if it focuses, there is a soup broth function, meat stew, bean chili, rice, porridge, steam. It also has a pressure cooker, and also has a slow cooker and a saute. So you can do really everything all in this one pot. It's really fabulous. I have everything in my pot. I have the beef bones, the spices, the garlic, the ginger, and everything in it. Now, you can do everything. The beauty of this Instant Pot is that pho usually takes a very long time to cook. About, dare I say, 8 hours on the stovetop. Here, I'm gonna try to replicate that, but in less than that time. We'll see. This is the first time I'm using it. We'll experiment. Before, I actually cleaned my beef bones. You can buy beef bones from your local Asian market. It just comes in a bag and it literally says beef bone. I'm like, ugh, what? Okay. One of the most important things to do when you buy beef bones is to clean them. You want to get a big stock pot and get it boiling. You want to rapidly boil your beef bones for about 10 minutes. I actually covered it, and when I opened it up, you could see all the gunk that came out of the beef bones, and you don't want that in your soup, and that's why you clean it off, man. Oh god, it was disgusting. So you take that out, take the beef bones out, and you wash out the excess scum, and I left it in the fridge overnight. You could do it on the same day, but I did it the previous day so that it's easy for me. And then I got my spices and I toasted them. I'll actually link everything down below my recipe so that you could follow along. And then a half an onion and 4 inches of ginger that I actually roasted on the stovetop. You could roast it in your oven if you want, just so that both of the root vegetables get some color. Excuse my tone of voice because I am sick. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so closing it is very similar to closing a pressure cooker. You want to line all the parts and you twist. That's it. This part is for when the steam comes out. I think, okay, there we go. All right, off. I want to soup broth, and I want, the instructions say less is for just meat, normal is with meat and bone, and then more is for rich broths, which is what we want. So we're gonna go more. More. Where? Wait, hold on. So, all right, restart. Broth, more, and it's 4 hours. I guess it's 4 hours. So that's half my cooking time. Half! All right, okay, cool. I'm getting excited. Now, how do I start? Oh, it's on. I think it's cooking. It just says on. I don't see anything that says start. Okay, Angela read directions for once. Wow. So, cooking program operations. Programs automatically start 10 seconds after selection. Okay, that's good to know. So, I guess it's working. The beauty of this is I'm gonna let it cook and I'm gonna do adult things like clean. So what I'm gonna be adding to the noodles, it's number one, meatballs, and it has to be the Vietnamese meatballs. So I also got some thinly sliced beef. Look at the marbling. I also got some rice noodles. I also got some limes for garnish. Also some Thai basil. This is delicious. Okay, so with these meatballs, I'm gonna actually cut them in half. That's actually how you get them in the restaurant. They're actually cut in half. You'll know they're done when they start floating. This won't take long. They just wanted to par cook them. It's done. Okay, so I released the pressure. It's time to reveal. Whoa! Okay, so I strained the beef broth. I strained all the beef bones. I skimmed off all that excess fat. And now we just have some dark, rich broth. At this point, you want to taste it, season it with fish sauce or sugar to see where it's at. It's good. It's good. It's not Kevin noodle good, but it's good. Dun, 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 dun. It's all done. I added the Thai basil and the lime leaves, the lime as well. Just gonna mix it up. This makes me feel better. So yeah, definitely the 8 hours of the soup broth. I don't recommend doing the 4 hours. This soup really does need that extra time and care. So let's give it a try. Now, is the Instant Pot worth the hype? I think so. You get 7 in 1. Leave it. You put all your stuff in there. Leave it and forget it. That's it. I think that 4-hour process is actually really good for lighter meats like chicken or fish. But if you're thinking about doing something with more depth and flavor like beef, definitely expect a longer cook. But that's really it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like food like this, or well, just me. I'll post a recipe down below and more thoughts on the Instant Pot as well. Catch you guys later. Bye.